Good morning. Good morning. We are live at Derelicts in Huntington Beach, California. Morning. What's going on, everybody? Good morning.
Good morning.
Walk around and check out everything.
Hi, Steven.
Do you guys get kicked out of your spot up there, huh?
Yeah, a bunch of four-wheel bastards. Took our spots.
You guys there's too much junk up there, huh?
Yeah, no, good stuff, but they just we didn't have space for us.
I know
we're the Wizard gang.
The Cougar got there like super early this morning.
Yellow Cougar looks great.
Yeah, I know. I forgot about the Wizard parking. The Wizard gang. Good looking bus rolling in. Camper bus. Really nice camper bus. Morning. What year's your bus?
It's a 3.
63.
63.
Well, it's really nice. I like the color. Morning from Prescott, Arizona. Do they make more regular buses than they did camper buses?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Westphalia company made this camper thing for the VW folks.
Oh, did they? Now, was the camper a conversion of the standard bus?
Yeah, because everything else is the same.
Oh, okay.
It's just the camper set up in the pop top, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And they change out the windows and all the other stuff, huh? Really nice. All right, let's go through here and check it out. Got John's Nomad Vet. Good morning from Delaware. Christian, Mexico. Steve from Texas. Got a good spot right here. We got the Nomad Vet. Hello from Springfield, Modon. We got pulling in here. Wow, this thing's cool. Wow, nice Le Mans. Cool Pontiac pulling in. Wow, that's real nice. Love this bubble top right here. Wow, nice crowd. Good morning from New Jersey. Wow, cool Datsun. Really cool Datsun. Wow. Or Z, or whatever you want to call it. It's a really nice sound to come around. This thing's awesome. What do we got? Sounds like we got a really cool... Oh. Good looking scooter pulling in. What is going on with this thing? This thing is amazing. Is this anybody's? Is this anybody's?
Yeah.
This is yours?
Right here. Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful. What year is this?
It's a 66 Roth. 66 Ed Roth price.
Wow. How long have you had it?
I bought it in August.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the shifter right what you're looking at, yeah.
The shifter, yeah, I was going to say the shifter's right on the side, huh?
Yeah, it is,
And were you looking for this, or just kind of just
I was looking. I'd looked a year and hadn't found one.
Wow.
This was at a consignment center out in Las Vegas.
Huh.
And I waited till the price plummeted, then threw my hat in the ring, and we came to terms, and I drove out and picked it up.
Wow.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, thank you.
It's really cool. This thing's so cool.
Yeah, there's a lot going on when you're riding it, and then you got to shift. I mean, you got to watch traffic.
Look at how cool that is. Just take a look at it from the front.
Yeah.
It needs an 8-track player.
Yeah.
Did you just say that? Yeah. I have some 8-tracks. If you have an 8-track player installed, they'll give you some 8-tracks for it.
It's an 8-track player.
Wow, very cool. Good morning from Portland, Oregon. Former Parkview student. All right.
Oh yeah.
Some cool scooters.
Yeah. Yeah. Got the body work.
What's that? This is for my regular camera. This is for the Facebook Live stuff. Yeah.
It's insane.
You got any good any cars? Good cars this morning?
Always got good.
What we got? Do you have a favorite this morning? Ooh, I like this. I like this wagon right here.
Yeah, it's a gasser.
I like that wagon gasser. That's pretty sick.
Oh, how about that?
Ooh, I like that one too. What is
It's
that?
an altered.
An altered, huh?
Yeah.
I like that.
That's
too.
like a Fiat.
Fiat.
I don't know what it says on the box.
Is this a Nova? 4-door Nova wagon?
It's a Fiat 500C.
Right.
It's kind of a very radical.
Yeah, I like
Fiat.
that.
Yeah, it's a Nova. That's like a 63 Nova.
I like that Nova wagon. Can I have that Nova wagon?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
You're
Good
a
deal.
kid, aren't you?
Most of the time. All right. Thanks, Ben. All right. All right. Let's keep cruising. See what we got. Morning. You got a good spot.
I know. I got.
You got a really. You got a. Yeah, I did. Exactly. If anything good happens, it was from me. Want to make sure I head over and hit up Rome. Talk to him about that truck. Morning from Portland. Oh, you got the panel F100. With Nova rolling out. Look at this guy. What's up? The man, the myth, the legend. Super nice Impala. Beautiful. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. There he is. There he is.
This is our first show.
There we go.
There he is too.
Nice.
First time rolling in.
with the new convertible. Nice. Lots of good stuff. What's going on? Good morning. Again. Good looking Fairlane over here. Are all Galaxies Fairlanes and are all Fairlanes Galaxies? Mirror to my TV. That's a good question. Good morning. Mario is here. Mario just rolled in. That's a good question. I think it can if you have Facebook on your TV. That's an excellent question. Or you know what, you can mirror it off your phone to your TV. A lot of times people do that.
Live today or
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go on Facebook and look at it.
Nice. Got the 50 shoe over here. Really nice. Justin's grandpa. Beautiful shoe. Really nice looking shoebox. I like the color too. Excuse me. If you have Android, you should have a link share. Good looking caddy.
So that's what I'm.
55 was the first overhead valve.
Does it say Pontiac going down it?
This is kind of a ugly looking Oldsmobile, huh?
Yeah, it's a 49.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of.
washer, $9.50 for the window.
Really?
What year is this car?
It says,
49.
49.
it says model 48 though.
Yeah, I don't quite understand that.
Make 49, model 48.
Was it built in? Yeah.
I'm assuming it was built in 49.
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't have every year. It wasn't
You know, that
the
was
same model.
that wasn't long after the war.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They made the model for a couple of years, the same car.
Yeah.
This is the first year they made the overhead valve
Is that what it is?
in this car. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. There you go.
He was saying they couldn't have had. He said that couldn't be the right engine.
Yeah, it is. This is the original motor that came in this car. Yeah. Yeah.
Was it the first overhead valve engine?
The first. This is the 49 was the first year they made the overhead valve V8.
So this car's worth
Yeah.
some money
Yeah.
because it's a 48 model with the newer engine.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool. 'Cause
Well,
the
49. This 49 was the first year they produced the overhead valve V8.
Okay, but I'm saying if this is a 48.
It's not a 48. It's a 49.
No.
It's a model
It
48?
was made in 49.
Mhm.
It was a model 48.
It's a Futuramic 88 is what the model is, but I don't know why it actually said that.
Yeah,
I don't
like
know
a
why.
Delta
Did it
88.
make this car in 48?
No, this
No.
first year they made this model was 49.
So that's just.
So the model is a 48.
It's called a Futuramic 80. This is actually my car. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, this is your car?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm just messing with you. But yeah, I don't know why it actually says 48. It maybe it's just like an order parameter or something. I'm not sure.
And that looks like a Pontiac.
It kind of does. It's actually the Harvey Golden logo from the dealership it was ordered in.
Oh, okay.
I think it's like an H&G or something like that. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Look at how funny the payment was. That was a very high payment. 12 months for $100 a month.
Yeah.
That's like how much of a house was in that year.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny. Anyway. Let's get back here. Get back to the thing. Joel, good morning. Ooh, good looking bet. Cool Stingray. You got the turbo. LS Tacoma. Riviera. Yeah, there's a good looking Riviera over there. This car sounded really nice when it rolled in. Yeah, that Vet sounds really nice. This Chevelle sounded really good when it pulled in too. Sounded really good. Morning. Nice little Nova too.
My car was one of the badass cars. My girlfriend was
Good 55.
She always asked me to drive.
Cool wagon.
Man, that's nice. You know, with my kids.
Love the wagon. Ariel, so what's the deal with the gnome?
I don't know, man. I'm in the backyard.
What's the deal with the gnome?
He's just the keeper and the protector
He's the keeper?
of the road, I guess.
Is he? Oh, I thought he was actually attached here.
He's my good luck charm. I found him in the backyard when I was working. I was like, dude, that guy's coming with me.
You should attach him there permanently.
Yeah, right? I'd lose him. Someone would steal him.
No,
Yeah.
dude, you should like seriously like drill a hole up through it and like attach him here permanently.
He's cool.
He is cool. I like him.
Yeah, I saw him and I don't know. I felt like he was staring at me and I'm like, you're coming with me, buddy.
That is cool. I like it. You know what's funny is like you should put it so like it looks like it's about to fall like this or something off, so people ask you like and like pull up next to you and be like, hey, your thing's about to fall. That's funny. I like it too, because it looks like there probably was something like a chime or something on here. Something was on here, right?
Yeah.
It looks like
Maybe
it.
I'll get some beads to hang in there.
That's funny.
Yeah, I keep them in the back. I pull them out from time to time.
I like it.
Just for like if a kid walks
Just like
up, something to laugh at.
they're just like, what's this weird? I like it. Wow, it's a pretty Galaxy. 427 Galaxy. Wow. You know, maybe I just haven't noticed them. It looks like Kyler Murray. I don't know, maybe I haven't noticed them lately, or maybe I've been noticing them more lately, but man, there's been a lot of Galaxies coming in lately, or maybe I don't know, maybe. But they're beautiful. There's a lot of really nice Galaxies coming in lately. Maybe I've been checking them out more lately. This one's really nice.
Yeah, this is a sick. That's one sick Galaxy, Joe.
It's a nice car.
How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is a beautiful car.
Yeah, it is. You're always a classic industry.
Wow, it's a really nice car.
No, they just went out of business. Some weird.
67 maybe, somewhere in there. Make sure I work my way back and talk to Rome about his big truck, Big Fugly, as he calls it.
Good morning.
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
You got Corey's lunch money car over here. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
You got the Dodge. Got the crazy Dodge. Got the Parachute. 1200 horsepower. Digital dash. Super cool car. It's been cool to see kind of the evolution of this too, from when he started working on it and just had the 5.3 in it, and then he went to bigger LS and then the turbos. Really cool. There you go. That's me.
Okay.
Family and friends you want to say hi to?
Hey, Jack and Chuck, how you guys doing?
Any life lessons that you'd like to give anyone in the world? Okay. All right.
I'm good.
Me either.
No.
I got nothing.
That's too complicated.
Me too. Me too. I understand. What have you seen so far that you really like?
There's a split window Corvette a friend of mine, Jack, has.
Oh, okay.
And Chuck, he has a newer Corvette, a 2014.
Oh, okay.
So, me, I have a 61 Impala, but it's a sedan. It's not a four-wheel drive.
Oh, okay. Did you bring it today?
No, I live in Northern California.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I like the color. It's got a 427 in it?
Yeah.
Wow. Cool.
It came stock with a 6-cylinder.
I like the color. That's a good color.
That was last year.
Nice.
Yeah. That was
Good looking car.
icing on the cake.
Yeah. Good looking car. I like it. Yeah, good. Nice to meet you. Awesome. What's your name, by the way? Joe. Nice to meet you. Steven. Nice to meet you. I know. What's up, Corey? How you doing? Nice to see you, man. Get out of the way here.
1974.
Want to go over here and check out Rome's car if he's cruising around. I want to figure out what's going on with this thing too, because I've seen it a couple times now, but I don't know exactly all the details on it. The ZR1. What year is your ZR1?
86 prototype.
96?
86 prototype.
Cool.
Yeah, there's only one in the world.
Cool.
This is built after that one.
Oh, wow.
Find it on the internet.
Cool. It's like something pretty cool pulling in over there. We gotta check out Kyle's convertible. Wow, really nice. I was excited to see this thing in action. Kenny, what's going on, Kenny? Yeah, really nice car. I love the wire wheels on it. Super nice. Like it. First time I've seen him bring it here, so that's nice to see it. I want to make sure I run down here real quick and try to catch Rome before he leaves. I want to talk to him about his big fugly, this big F650 or whatever this bad boy is. lot of empty parking spots. Kenneth Martin. Oh, look, bro. Nope. Definitely not him. Not Rome from Sublime. Nope. Different one. Different one. I'm not sure where he is though.
Pretty quick, because Brooke was pregnant and she wanted that kid done by the time.
I'm not sure where he is. Probably up front getting some donuts for the kids. We'll keep cruising over here. Go to the Corvette Alley over here. Alright, let's see what we got. Cool Mustang. Really nice fastback Mustang. Manual fastback. Wow, really nice. Alright, well. Some vet action.
On the 64.5 are different than the 65R. The heads and the intake are different on the type there.
Okay, I didn't know.
Some
Yeah,
newer
I
vets.
read a lot. It's pretty interesting.
Got a classic vet. 63. You guys tell me. Is that a Chinese weather balloon? I have not seen any Chinese weather balloons yet. Although the day is young, so you never know. And you got Joe's Oldsmobile. 57 Olds. Cool caddy. 65, 66. Wow, really nice caddy. That's a cool truck. Wow, that thing's real cool. Cool car. What's up, man?
How you doing, bud?
What's up? What's the year is this thing?
51.
This thing's cool.
man.
Nice to see you, man. Good. This thing's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice little cruiser and shit.
Yeah.
Different from what I used to do.
Yeah. Yes, it is. It's really nice, though.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's clean. It's a cruiser.
Yeah.
I drive this thing back and forth from like PJ here.
Yeah.
70 on the freeway now.
It's got the straight six in it, so.
Street 6.
Yeah. Cool car.